Are you a woman over 50 interested in learning to build strength, mobility, and balance? I got you. Today we are going to walk 10 minutes in the comfort of your own living space. You don't need any fancy equipment, just slip on your sneakers, grab something for hydration, and we're going to get started. Let's go ahead and start in our gentle walk. So we have 4 basic moves. The first one is just walking in place, and the structure of this workout will be, we'll go 30 seconds on, so like a higher intensity, and then we'll return to this walk for 20 seconds. I'm going to set my watch, 10 minutes here. If you're walking with me, I just set it under indoor walk. If you don't have a smartwatch, it's all good. I will keep time for us. And let's get started. So walk in place, check in here. Go ahead and take a moment to check on how you're feeling today. Noticing if you're holding tension, maybe in your shoulders and your back body. Can you start to soften those areas a little bit? Check in with your breath. How's your breathing? Nice. And just see what it feels like to feel in your body today. If we've not met yet, I am so excited to have you along for this walk. My name is Emily. I am a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, and a very passionate women's health advocate. And I help women over 50 increase their balance, mobility, and vitality and energy levels in the second season of life. So I'm so glad to have you along. Let's make it happen. We are just here 10 minutes, so it's a nice quick workout. You can just squeeze this in, in the morning or after a meal. It's a great little workout to do any time of day. Nice. I'll show you the next couple of moves. So the next move is a knee lift. All you got to do is lift a knee, lift a knee. So we lift up and up, engage that tummy. So the belly button draws in towards the spine. Maybe you tap opposite hand to opposite knee. And feel that activation in the lower body. Creating balance. That is a huge request I get from my students all the time. How can you help me find more balance in my life? And you're doing it right here, right now. Anytime you're standing on one leg like this, you're improving balance and that chain of strength in the lower body, core, and upper body. For 3, 2, and 1, let's go back to that basic walk. We always come back here. If you ever get hung up on a move, just return to our home base. I'll show you the next move. Let's go for a kick. So just turn to the side. We're just going to kick and kick. So get your legs high here if that feels okay. If not, you can keep them kind of low. And maybe start to coordinate right and left sides of the brain. We'll reach opposite fingers towards opposite toes. Nice job. So a little rotation for the torso. Again, activating that 360 core. Front body and back body are turned on, active and alive. For 3, 2, 1, walk it out. Nice job. You can see I am outside today. I'm so excited to get to record again outside. It is a lovely spring day and I'm at my parents' house. I don't know if you can hear it, but they do have a pond back here with a little waterfall that I can hear the water running right now. So maybe you hear it too. Nice job. Next move, side step. Use the space that you have. Take it out and back. So side to side. You could sink the hips down to activate some more backside muscles. And stay low here. Make it happen. Nice job. What I love about home walking is it's a really sweet little activity that you can just kind of incorporate anytime in your life. The American Heart Association recommends that we get about 30 minutes of this aerobic activity or cardio activity 5 times a week, if not more. So these 10-minute workouts, you can just incorporate a couple of these, 2 or 3 workouts in a day, and then you're done for the day, right? So it's really sweet to be able to, personalize your workouts, make them work for you, not the other way around. For 3, 2, 1, return back to that walk. My trusty sidekick is here. If you've walked with me before, you know I have a black lab mix. His name is Charlie. He's actually out exploring, so maybe he'll come back for a cameo later, but right now he's just having some fun outside too. Whew. Keep going. We are already 4 minutes into this workout. Let's go. All right, let's get those knees up. I'm going to set 30 seconds on the timer. Knee lift, core is engaged. Nice. Core is nice and strong. See if it feels okay. Reach the arms. Reach the arms. Both arms reach. Nice job, guys. Whew. So anytime we get the arms up, that does activate that 360 core, so you might feel that in the side body. Maybe pull the belly button in gently towards the spine. 3, 2, 1, walk it out, home base. 20 seconds. I'm going to tell you about an exciting opportunity I have coming up online. Coming up, if you're watching this in real time, it's going to be Friday, April 25th, 2025. It's going to be an online nutrition for healthy nutrition for women over 50 workshop. Go ahead and widen your stance. Here we are. Let's go for 30 seconds. So in this workshop, we're going to take a look at our hormone levels, energy levels, and nutrition that is important for women of this age group. So looking at heart healthy nutrition. Nice job. Keep going. Widen your stance. We got 30 or 15 more seconds. Go ahead and just give me a kick back. Kick those legs. Yeah. Whew. So yeah, sign up for that free workshop. If you're watching this after the 25th, check out the links below. I'll have a copy of the replay you can access for free. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Walk it out. Get a little winded sometimes me talking like this, but I do encourage you to take your talk test. Can you say a 5 to 6 word sentence without getting too winded? If you do feel out of breath, just back out. Take your time, return back when you're ready. Whew. Pump those arms, get the legs a little higher. Make it happen. We're gonna cross that finish line strong. You made that commitment. Let's do it. All right, guys, go ahead and find your side steps. Sink those hips down a little bit more. We wanna activate our muscles of independence, so our backside muscles. Breathe. Check in with your breath. Nice job. Keep it going. Got 10 more seconds right here. Come here, Charlie. Come here, bud. Everybody wants to see Charlie, right? Keep going. If you got a furry friend, I highly encourage to get them involved in your workout. Nice job. Slow it down. Walk it out. Here we go. So Charlie's been with us he's been part of our family for about 12 years. We think he might be about 15 years old. He's the best little buddy. Tell me about your furry friends. Who works out with you? Please let me know in the comments. I love to hear from folks from all over the world, and it's so nice to connect with you. Nice job. Great job. Give me some kicks. So kick, both arms are gonna reach, kick. Yeah, if that's a little too much, you might want to have a chair or a wall close by as you stand on that one leg for an extra beat. Make your shapes big, right? Take up all the space you possibly can in your room. Woo. If you need to say woo, go for it. Have some fun. I always say, your workout has to be fun, right? For you to stay with it. 3, 2, 1, keep it walking, or go back to your walk. Yeah, we should have fun when we do these activities, right? So find an activity that you love, that gets you up in the morning, gets you excited, and keep going. Consistency is truly key. Nice job. Walk, walk. About 5 more seconds in this walk. Next move. Give me a toe tap first. So tap, tap, stay down. Check on your knees, right? We never want achy or painful knee joints. So if you need to stay upright, you can. Maybe get the arms up for a modified jumping jack. Oh yeah. I love this kind of workout. My mom and I started this when I was in high school, home walking, and it's just served us very, very well. That was almost 20 years ago, by the way, so really amazing. 3, 2, 1, walk it out. Yeah, just a great way to stay active and in shape. And it spans across the entire lifetime. So what I love about it, it's low impact, moderate intensity workout. And it just feels so dang good. Let's get the upper body up. Reach up, down, out, and back. Keep it going. Find your breath. March it out. Nice job. Let it go. Take the feet wide. This time, give me a knee lift. We are close to the end. Lift up and up. Yeah, go for it. Maybe opposite hand taps opposite knee. Getting that tummy rotation again, torso rotation. Whew. Very proud of you today. I know you're gonna stick around to the end. Whew. Nice job, walk it out. Go for the gold. Keep going. Make it happen. We're here, we're in it to win it. Let's finish out right here. Can you get your feet a little bit higher? Really march it out, pump the arms. Lift the legs, go for it. Already today, we've went through half a mile. Great job, big high fives to you. So proud of us. Just finish it out. Oh yeah. Go ahead and slow it down. We did it, that was your 10-minute walk, but we never skip this cool down. Take the feet wide. I hear a helicopter. Take the feet wide, ground your feet, inhale, sweep your arms high. Exhale, release your hands down. Again, inhale, really mirroring breath with movement. Exhale, drop it down. One more time, it just feels really nice to get really tall here. Feel the length of your spine. On your exhale, drop it down, let it go. Give yourself a wiggle. Give me a toe tap forward, so just a soft tap forward. Nice job. So yeah, definitely check out my healthy nutrition workshop coming up this week. And then of course, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. You can always catch that replay of the workshop later. Nice job, guys. You don't want to miss out. We're talking about hormones, energy levels, our fitness, nutrition, of course. What nutrition is best after 50 for women? Really focusing on that. 3, 2, 1, shake it out. If you just come for one thing, get the workbook. It's a $35 value. It's packed full of all kinds of great information. Let's seal this physical practice up with one final angel breath. Sweep your arms high. Soften the hands down by the sides. So proud of you today. Big high fives, great job. I am so honored to be your guide here and be a part of your wellness journey. So if you ever have questions, leave me a comment. Check out my website, emilydaugherty.com. Charlie and I would love to connect with you on a deeper level. All right, talk to you again very soon. Bye.